Welcome. This is government year 2011 Jamb pass question. Question number 2. And question number 2 here says the development of attitudes and beliefs about a political system is dash. The development of attitudes and beliefs about a political system is dash. A. Political participation. B. Political orientation. C. Political emancipation. D. Political socialization. We want to talk of development of attitudes and belief about political system of a state. So it is what we call political socialization. It is not political participation because political participation allows you to participate in politics. In politics, the political orientation is the the doctrine about politics which one has. Then political emancipation is the awareness of one's political activity. Then political socialization is the transmission of political attitude and belief from one generation to another. So option D is correct. So the development of attitudes and beliefs about political system is political socialization. Option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.